Hey, motherfucker, you better go inside. It's gonna fucking rain soon. Max, don't fucking meow at me. I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna rain. Where the hell are you going? The chicken coop isn't gonna save you. It's not even fully built yet. Like, it's really fucking windy, man. That storm's moving in. You're gonna get your ass inside and you're gonna get wet. Try to tell you. Alright, see you later. I'm gonna go inside now. You have fun. Yeah, you just lick your asshole. You know, whatever. Fucking weird ass cat.